In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills in life, decision making. We'll discuss how to make the best decisions in 4 easy steps, whether it's for your health, your wealth, your career, your relationships, your professional or your personal life. Because making the right decision can be tricky sometimes, but by following these 4 simple steps, you really can consistently make the best decisions for you. So step 1, identify your goals. First up, it's essential to answer the questions: what are you trying to achieve? And what's important to you? Because if you don't know what you want, how can you determine whether a decision will take you closer to or further away from what it is that you want? So when you've identified your goals, when you've identified what you're trying to achieve and what's important to you, why it's important to you, you can start to think about how your decision will affect this. And this will help you to eliminate choices that don't align with your goals and give you a clearer understanding of which decision is the best one. Step 2, gather information. Do your research. Talk to people who have experience in the area that you're making a decision in. So weigh the pros and the cons of each choice. Get all the information you need from reputable sources, and this will help you to make an informed decision without ending up with a bunch of regrets later on. Step 3, consider the alternatives. Are there other options available that you haven't thought of? Could there be a better way for you to achieve your goals? When other people have made similar decisions, what were the outcomes and the consequences? So by considering alternatives, you can ensure that you're making the best decision for you and your situation. And step 4, trust your gut. Most of the time, your instincts are the best guide when making any decision. So if you've done your research, you've considered your alternatives and you still can't decide, trust your gut. Because your intuition is often a reflection of your subconscious mind, which has already processed all of the information that you have gathered. So in summary, making the best decisions requires careful consideration and self-reflection according to your goals and your values. So by identifying your goals, gathering information, considering the alternatives, and trusting your gut, you can consistently make the best decisions for yourself. Because every decision has consequences. Take your time and choose wisely. As a rule of thumb, make small decisions fast and make big decisions slow. If it's a big decision that is going to impact important areas of your life or important areas of the lives of the people around you that you love and care about, sleep on the big decisions. Don't let yourself get rushed into anything that you're not comfortable with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.